Supply chain volatility, component shortages, increasing product complexity. The challenges facing the electronics industry today are mounting. Sharing a clear product vision from concept to delivery between all involved, such as design, engineering, production, and supply chain, is critical. Reduce the risk of increasing costs, supply chain fluctuations, and delays to launch successful products faster with new product introduction solutions for electronics. Move faster by aligning program goals and driving early supplier involvement across all stages of your product's lifecycle. Innovate further by developing standard products, configure to order, engineer to order, and everything in between. New products designed with manufacturing in mind ensure reduced cost and improved time to market. Use design to source intelligence to create products that are economically viable and environmentally responsible. Integrate cost and sustainability, supporting design for the environment. Establish a secure supply chain framework to minimize risks, improve efficiency, and protect against potential disruptions. Ensure every internal and external stakeholder has what they need to get the job done. Deploy solutions that deliver actionable insights and drive better decisions across product development, life cycles, and sourcing. Create a frictionless flow from design to delivery with your partners and suppliers to reduce risk, improve efficiency, and enhance your position in the market. Launch new products faster with Siemens new product introduction solutions for electronics. Siemens.